What is your problem?
Stop. Sit
What
down.
is your problem, you bastard? I'm stop. Stand
Stop.
back. You're under arrest. You fucking bastard. Really, Jack? For getting groceries and go to jail?
I'm sorry, buddy.
You get your fucking weak knee out of mine, okay? You fucking little cunt.
I know.
You're a little cunt. You know?
Let go of your car. Let go of your car. Let go of the car.
Bastard, you fucking cocksucker.
You gotta sit back. Sit back.
Putting your seatbelt on.
Don't you try to bite me.
Fuck you, you fucking piece of shit.
No dia 19 de fevereiro de 2025, o Departamento de Polícia do Condado de Charlotte recebeu uma denúncia inesperada. Um homem entrou em contato com as autoridades alegando que sua própria esposa estava dirigindo sob influência de álcool e pediu intervenção da polícia.
Hello.
I'm the one that called you.
Okay.
I'm just trying to stop her from driving.
Okay. What's going on?
She's drunk.
Okay.
She's always drunk.
Okay.
She's up here. She's drunk. She got better part of 2 quarts of wine in her, and she's up here getting more.
Okay.
I followed her up, told her I'll give you a ride back. She
Okay.
won't hear any part of it. And these guys can testify that it's
Okay.
been pretty embarrassing.
I'm also their neighbor.
Yeah, I know. That I just
That
met.
has nothing to do with it. Just hang out over there for me.
That I
okay?
just met a minute ago. Same with this guy. He came up to save the
Can you
day.
guys grab your IDs for me?
Yeah.
Perfect. Is that hers?
Yeah, yeah. I'm
Can
sorry.
I just have her key?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
There.
Thank you. What happened to your hand there?
Nothing.
Okay. All right, and that's her purse?
Yeah.
Awesome. Can I take that, please?
I don't know. She's got an ID in there
No worries.
somewhere.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Nope, don't worry about it. I'll go through it.
All right. I'll just stay in here.
Please. Yeah, there's more people right there. 336 and a copy of the text.
I didn't know.
Hang out over there for me.
What is your problem?
Stop. Sit
What
down.
is your problem, you bastard? Stop. Stop. Why don't you shut up? You don't have a fucking badge on you.
Go
Okay?
sit in your car.
You don't have a cunt. You don't have a badge
Go
on.
sit in your car.
She's a cunt. No
I don't
badge.
care. Go sit
She's
in
a
your Go sit in your car.
Don't touch me.
I'm not touching you.
Don't
Go
touch
sit in
me.
the car.
Don't touch me.
Do you want to go in
Don't-
handcuffs?
No, I
Then
don't.
sit in your car.
Ma'am, stop right now or go sit in your car.
Let go.
Then
Fuck it.
go sit in your
You
car.
bastard.
You're gonna go to jail. All right, too
I'll
late.
go. I'll go.
No, too late.
No, it's not too late. No,
No,
it's not.
doing it. Stand up.
I will.
Stop.
No, I will get my car. I'm
Stop.
stuck.
Stand behind
Stop.
your back. You're under arrest.
You fucking bastard. You piece of shit. I'm going to jail for what, Jack?
Obstruction at this point.
Fuck you, you cunt.
Okay.
For getting
Alright.
groceries, Jack.
Okay.
For getting groceries, I'm going to jail.
Yep,
For
they're
getting
double block.
groceries.
They have the yellow one.
You fucking
What were they saying?
I was on special activities.
Traffic 600. We had background. What was that?
really, Jack? For getting groceries, I'm going to jail.
I'm sorry, bud.
You
Go away. Go over there, please. Just go over there. You're making it work.
Yeah, I'm on scene. We have one in custody.
You've got one, you short dick. You got one, you short dick.
Stop.
Maybe someday you get more than one.
I don't know.
Short
Stop.
dick.
Okay.
Stop.
What's my problem? I've got cuffs on me.
Okay. Well,
I
it sounds
wanna
like
go
you. Well,
You know what?
You could have done that if you chose a better plan of action here. You were given several verbal commands by a law enforcement officer, and you chose
Could you
not to
drop
obey
that,
them.
please? And you got a f***ing earring in you?
It's an earpiece.
Okay.
Oh,
It's our radio.
All right. What are you bleeding from? You have any injuries? Oh, it's just.
Turn around.
Stop.
no.
Stop.
Okay. We can turn here.
Why didn't you be the fucking eyelashes on? You're an ugly cunt. You really are an ugly cunt.
All right.
You really are an ugly
Oh,
cunt.
she's bleeding from me. I think it's just.
You're
a
an
man out
ugly
there.
cunt.
All right. Hey, don't do that.
Now you're gonna get another fucking
Yeah,
car.
now you got a felony.
Oh,
It's body on
my.
law enforcement.
Oh, my goodness. Let's see what this brings.
Stop.
You can put her in my
Yeah.
car.
You need a hobble. Right, just let me grab a hobble.
I don't have a hobble. They don't have these.
Yeah.
There's no
yeah, I don't
Oh,
know.
yeah, I got it. Yep.
All right. Whose car is she going in? Yours? Okay. All right.
Get your fucking weak knee out of mine, okay? You fucking little cunt.
I know.
You're a little cunt. You know that?
Okay.
You bald little cunt.
I'm kind of losing some hair, I guess. Huh?
I'm fine.
You're good. All right. All right, let's get over there. And we'll get all right. Let go of your car. Let go of your car. Let go of the car. Let go of the car. Let go of the car. All right.
Go in here?
Yep.
I'll go on the other side.
All right, yeah. Jody,
We'll get it. Stop.
Jody tried kicking,
She's already kicked me.
yeah.
Charging
I got
the
this.
down LEO.
Oh, yeah.
Lift your legs up, I can pull
Okay,
it.
ready? Go ahead. Go ahead, pull her. All right.
Ow! You fucking cunts!
All right. You got a hobble? All right. Watch your face. Watch your face. I can't.
You got a hobble?
Yeah, he's got it. Got it?
Charger battery LEO. Resisting. She drunk or was she not drunk or what?
I just rolled up and she was already,
Make sure she doesn't go asphyxiate on it. Got that tight in the knot? You can. See a little muscle there.
I just rolled up and she was already
Yeah,
just
I
going
figured I
at
was
it.
trying to get through traffic up at Kings and Veterans. It was impossible.
Yeah.
You what? She breathing? You alright?
Stop.
She can get up. She
I
can
don't know if
get
they're,
up.
I don't know if she's double locked or not.
She's trying to sleep.
They're not very tight.
She's trying to
Got it? Is that out the
There
bottom?
you go. That's her
the
shoe.
bottom. I couldn't get the long end to come down.
Hold on, she got a shoe out here.
I threw-
Well-
whoa.
Go forward just a
That's
little
all right. they're,
I didn't expect you to take off that quick.
they're collapsible.
Ready to get rid of it.
I'll put it back in the car. Oh, now it won't. Car's locked.
bit. Hey, we need to sit it. So she's trying to fix it.
Her car's locked, so I don't know. This is her shoe.
Barbara, I'm sorry.
No, You
fucking cocksucker! You bastard! You fucking cocksucker!
Sit up.
Get away from me, you fucking piece of shit! You fucking piece of shit! You look like a fucking piece of shit!
Why are you so angry?
Why did you
Why are
fucking
you
shut?
so angry?
Why is your nose
Seriously,
so fucking
why- I've never met
big?
you
Why is
before.
your
Why
fucking
are you
nose
so
so big?
angry?
Why is your fucking nose so big?
Seatbelt, sir.
Okay.
Get away from me! Get away from me!
I gotta stop him.
Oh, okay.
That's the bottom one. That's the bottom one.
Oh, there's, okay.
I gotta stop him for you.
All right.
We'll put your seatbelt on.
Okay. Gotta sit back. Sit back.
Putting your seatbelt on.
Don't you try to bite me.
Fuck you, you fucking piece of shit!
All right. I know. I don't know why you're so angry. Jesus. That's a little upset. I got blood on my hand. Woo! Yeah. A little over the top. Hold on one second. Did somebody need a statement from this guy, or did you need a statement from him, or?
I don't know.
Oh.
No, because when I got here, she wasn't in the car. So she's going for obstruction and she's going for battery.
Okay. Oh, so she wasn't even in the car.
When I got here, no, she wasn't in
Okay,
the
so
car.
we don't
So I
have-
don't have anything like
Yeah.
that.
Okay.
The only thing he said is he followed her up here, but that's here nor there.
Yeah. I didn't see any open containers in
I don't either. I can smell it on her, but
Yeah. Okay.
thank you. Now I'm just irritated. Kick the shit out of my leg. Fine. Y'all go get your car.
All right.
Thank you.
The jailer,
Yep.
do that Baker, what did you guys do, that Baker thing?
No, she's going to jail. Please. Can I already back one more second?
I mean, will you guys eventually, what, a Marchman or Baker?
It'll be
after?
9758, 9758. There's that for you. That's gonna have to come. So she's going to jail, obviously, for resisting or obstruction, and then she's gonna go for battery on LEO because she kicked me. And then when she gets out, you'll have to file for an ex parte order for her to go to take your evidence before the judge and apply for it, and then the judge can make her go get treatment.
I gotta wait for her to get out though to start all that. Or
You
can
don't
I,
have to.
How do I do that? I just
You go down to the
court
courthouse.
and just I'll figure it out from
Yeah,
there.
you just file it.
A suspeita foi indiciada por resistir à prisão com violência, agredir um agente de lei e conduzir sob a influência de álcool ou drogas. O que você achou dessa história? Compartilhe sua opinião nos comentários abaixo. E se você gostou desse vídeo, não se esqueça de deixar um like e se inscrever no canal para não perder mais nenhum vídeo como esse.